Now you're starting your path to advanced levels within Resolve. The color page is the main page to work in. When you have completed your timeline editing, you jump to the color page. Within this section, you will have an overview of the color page, and then you will start with the concept of nodes. That's very important. I'll cover all type of nodes. I want you to feel very much at ease with nodes because they are very easy to use and they are very important. You will see how to work with nodes, create them, label them, put them on and off, and how to use each type of nodes. You will discover that some nodes that seem complicated in concept, they are actually very easy to use to get the best results you want. I'll show you how to use parallel nodes, layer nodes, splitter combiner nodes, group and timeline nodes, and how to combine nodes and how to create shared nodes, and much more about nodes. Please feel free to ask all your questions about nodes because this concept is the main concept within DaVinci Resolve.